From the Atlantic provinces to the West Coast, last winter was one of weather extremes. There's a new theory out about why it was so warm in some places, so brutally cold in others. A weather pattern called the North Pacific Mode could be responsible. And as Jackson Prosco reports, it could offer a glimpse into what's to come.
As Atlantic Canada dug out from blizzard after blizzard and Toronto shivered through day after day of bitter cold, the western half of North America wondered if winter would ever arrive.
Away they go.
Warm even in Alaska, where they had to reroute the famous Iditarod race.
This has been a bizarre winter in the state of Alaska.
That extreme divide captured by dramatic climate data that shows just how entrenched the split between warm and cold was during the last two winters.
This is truly enormous, where we're seeing that quite large differences from one coast to the other, and persistent that way.
So persistent, meteorologists have dubbed the weather pattern ridiculously resilient. It includes a change in wind patterns that's blocking badly needed moisture from reaching California, setting up that state's devastating drought for the long haul.
What we've been seeing the last couple of winters is an abnormally persistent and strong ridge of high pressure, and it's been kind of wreaking havoc in the weather in various parts of North America.
Those changes have also fueled what's been dubbed a giant blob of warm water parked off the coast of British Columbia and the western U.S. Ocean currents like El Nino can have a dramatic impact on seasonal weather. This newly discovered blob has been termed the North Pacific Mode.
We're trying to learn how this system works and ultimately make better predictions.
Ocean temperature cycles certainly aren't new, but researchers say they have become more prominent, and climate change may well be playing a role.
Maybe what the human influence is changing its character of this high pressure area, this blob of warm water, and making it perhaps maybe more intense, longer lasting.
And while the bitter cold gripping the east may have captured more attention, the western warmth tells the real story. Across the globe, this past winter was the warmest on record. Jackson Prosco, Global News, Washington.